Hey Varun, welcome
Hello,
to
ma'am.
Sip and Speak. Let's start our conversation, but while sipping a cup of coffee. Cheers.
Yes.
So Varun, tell me about yourself.
My name is Varun Singh. I started pursuing my ACC after 10th, and currently I'm doing my MA paper.
Okay. So when you started your ACCA?
I started my ACC after in the mid of 11th.
Oh,
After
so
10th.
practically after your schooling, when you started your college after 10th, that
Yeah.
is where you started doing this course.
Yeah.
Wow,
After
exciting.
11th, when we had some summer vacations, that's when I started researching about the course that I want to pursue.
So normally students when they finish their 10, they research for which college they want to go in and which stream they want to take in. Like we have generally commerce, science or arts.
Yeah.
How come you landed searching for ACCA?
Actually, I was searching that what I want to pursue after 12th because I had in mind which college
That
I
too
want.
after your 10th, immediately you want to know what you want to do after 12th.
Yeah, because I had in mind what college I want after.
Mhm.
And
And which college?
Jai Hind College.
Actually, you wanted to go Jai. You're fixed
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah,
Lovely.
and I got that. So after I got admission in Jai Hind College, I started researching about what can I do in my free time.
Are you like a topper in your school?
No, not that.
No?
Okay.
Look like you're super focused.
Yeah.
So okay, so you tell me.
So that's when I started researching about what I want to do after 12th and what I should do. So while researching, I was searching for a course that was that had a global recognition
Mhm.
in the future and flexibility of papers. So
Yes.
that's where I found ACCA and started pursuing it.
Lovely. So you looked for a course in general. You knew about ACCA before, or how
No.
actually you landed up to this course? Because this is not a course which is known by everybody.
Yeah.
As of
Yeah, that time I saw the video of Zell only on YouTube and I
actually, you saw the video of Zell on YouTube.
yeah
Okay,
So
and
that's
which
a-
video you saw?
about Pratham Barod sir explaining about the salary, scope, qualification details and all.
And that inspired you to look for the course and
Yeah.
go for it. So you have a similar background from your family in the finance and accounting.
No, actually my father is a businessman.
Okay,
and my mom
great.
is a housewife.
Wow, then how come you are not joining the business and thinking of going on this field?
Because I wanted to do something that is more professional.
Mm-hmm.
So that's where I joined. I would also go into business, but I will learn some basics of it.
Oh, lovely. So you tell me that obviously you searched about ACCA. You came across the video, but what was the search initially? The fields to have a career after 10th or 12th, or what was it? So commerce was on your mind, or it was just general?
I'm from a commerce background, so commerce was in my mind. So I searched about what courses are actually there in the market that I could do to that I could pursue in the future. So while searching, I found various courses like actuarial science, ACCA, CAs. But from that, I selected ACCA due to its global recognition and flexibility of papers.
So you don't want to be in India after your graduation?
That I have not decided.
Not decided yet. Okay, cool. So tell me, obviously you're doing this course, which is a professional course, along with your studies at college. Is it difficult? How are you coping with it?
Yeah, it is a lot difficult.
It is?
Yeah. Because managing your board exams with your ACCA papers and that too MA paper that I now have just given,
Mm-hmm.
it was a lot more difficult. As that's why after the board exams, I started directly studying for MA
Oh.
directly afterwards.
So how are you even managing? Are you getting any help? Anybody is helping you from your family or your friends maybe? Somebody from Zell who's doing that?
I'm managing it by the lectures. I usually watch the lectures and then do what the ma'am says
Mm-hmm.
thoroughly, and I go in that particular order, and that so that I can give my paper.
So tell me one thing. So when you decided to do ACCA, you must have discussed this with your parents, right? What was their reaction? Did they knew about the course?
No, they did not know about
So
those
how did
courses.
you convince them?
I showed them the videos on YouTube. and
So the Zell videos were convincing enough to convince your parents?
yeah.
Lovely.
So I showed them the video. Their reaction was like, "Yeah, it's a good course."
Mm.
They also researched on their own,
Okay.
and then they supported me too. So
Lovely. And how you landed to Zell?
Zell, actually, I saw the videos
Yeah,
of
video,
Zell,
yes.
and I about Zell, I love the website of the Zell because it's
Oh.
because the mocks, units, they are so real time that they give us the feeling that we are writing the real test.
Oh, wow. So, right. So, this kind of proctored exams, you must have not given it before. It must be new for you,
Yeah.
right? So, this kind of feature helped you.
Yeah, a lot.
Was it like difficult? How was it? I've never done that. So, how is it?
It was a bit challenging first, but then I got used to it as I started
Yeah.
using it.
Is it easy to do your normal exams, like the writing exams, than to go for a proctored one? What's the difference? I mean, which are you more comfortable?
Online exams.
Really?
MCQs, yes.
Wow. And why do you think so?
Because it is more practical based. You don't need to rectify everything.
It's about knowing the
Yeah.
knowledge and putting it into
In
practical
12th, you have
knowledge.
to learn each and every word and present it in a way. But in MCQs, you have to just apply your logic and then you can get to the answer.
It's very interesting. Yeah. Very nice. So, tell me one thing, that now that you are in your 12th standard?
Yeah, I just completed my
You just
course.
completed your 12th. And you are in ACCA which level?
I just completed second year.
Second paper, lovely. So, what is your plan ahead? What do you want to do? When do you want to finish this course? What are
My
your plans?
plan is to finish ACCA, and then after I complete ACCA, I will start pursuing CFA
Oh,
or MBA. I have a plan to complete ACCA in 3 years, and then after that, I will start with CFA and then pursue
oh wow.
or
So,
MBA.
so you want to finish your ACCA by your graduation?
Yeah.
After your graduation, you want to do CFA?
Yeah.
Wow, and why? How did you even land up to that thought?
CFA qualification is you have to complete a graduation course and then you can apply into CFA. So that's why I thought that I would complete these 3 years of graduation, and this time I will complete my ACCA papers, and then I can do ACCA or my MBA and masters.
Wow, and what is your vision? Where do you want to land up with these courses? Where do you see yourself? I mean, obviously you like thorough. You know what kind of education courses you want to do.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure you must be knowing where you want to land up with your career ambition.
I have to start my own company.
You want to start? Oh, you want to be an entrepreneur. And
Yeah.
what do you want to start up with?
I am thinking of a clothing brand
Oh wow! And why this thought?
because I don't know, it just came randomly.
Oh, okay, but interesting. Why not? I mean, putting all this knowledge to start
It's
your
not
own
particular to a clothing brand, but I want to start my business of my own.
business.
Still not got an idea of what I would do a business of, but I want to start my business.
That's really great. So, obviously, you know, when, as you said, you landed up to the website of Zell, and there are a lot of courses. As you said, ACCA is there, CFA you said. There are other courses also. Why particularly choose these courses?
Because ACCA is a course that gives you a global recognition
Correct.
among all.
Correct.
In
I
many-
agree.
In almost, I guess, I don't remember the number of countries, but in many countries you get a
Yes.
global recognition, including US, UK, leading countries. So that's why I chose that I will do ACCA, and it's very flexible.
Mhm.
Means CA course is very rigid. It takes you 5 years. And the
Correct.
papers are also too difficult. But this is flexible. You can give every 3 months an exam. But for CA, you have to wait for 6 months to apply for another paper.
Right. I'm so amazed that you are so clear and you know what you want to do and what to choose at this age. Like from your 10th standard, I'm pretty sure it will be inspiring for a lot of students who, after your 10th, people just want to land up in college and then they want to figure out what are the options. And generally, with commerce, there are some typical educational courses people want to go in because they don't know the options. Right? How? I mean, I still wonder. I know you went through the research thing, but is it difficult to choose from the limited options, or you want to go? Generally, people want to go on a known path.
Yeah,
Something ACC is very new.
new.
So, how did you even manage?
Actually, I had in mind from first that I have to do a professional course. I have to do some more of the other professional course. But after 10th, I had in mind that I have to do a professional course. So I started researching. In that research only, I made up my mind that I should do ACCA because of the attributes.
So now that you're doing your ACCA and you know you want to start your own business, is there anything which you're learning in this course which is helping you to fulfill your entrepreneurial dreams?
Yeah, like I've given just 2 papers. So now in MA, it was like many things about production, your inventory, how to manage your inventory, how to reduce wastage. That will all be useful
As a part of
as a part.
startup of a business.
Yeah.
Lovely. So tell me, how's your family supporting you in all this? Or any friends who are side by you?
Actually, I have my 3 friends here who are doing together.
Okay.
So we start together and we end together the papers.
Well, that's the goal.
Yeah. So there is someone who we start with. So there is company while studying. So we normally study together also many times. So that's how I.
How about your parents supporting you on this?
My parents are very supportive. They are like, you study as per your capabilities and give it when you really like.
And how do you balance? Because I know there is a lot of studies in ACCA. You're doing your graduation study, so and obviously you'll be having your leisure time.
Yeah.
How do you balance and what do you do? What do you like doing in your leisure time?
When I'm free or I have idle time, once I've completed all my studies, I generally hang out with my friends. I go somewhere with them, like a mall or Smash. So I go there, or else we do something or the other things.
So when you decided to do ACCA, what was the decision for you which landed up to Zell? Because I'm pretty sure there are a lot of other options. And so how do you decided Zell?
Firstly, I got to know about ACCA from the Zell video.
Yeah.
So I contacted Zell after that, and they gave me a demo of their website. And I was very thrilled by seeing their website.
Really?
Yeah. It was very practical. It was like I'm writing my exam on Zell. It was like that.
Okay.
So that's where I decided that I should take Zell. And the teaching was also very good.
Very nice. And how was your journey so far? You completed 2 years with Zell doing ACCA.
Yeah.
So how was the journey and how is that helping you?
It has been very smooth. There was no issues while doing it. And we get the videos and also get, if we miss any lectures, we also get the recording of that lecture.
Okay, great. So that helps.
Yeah, so that helps because I have college also and then have to watch the videos. So that helped a lot. So there was not such issues while.
Something which is a moment which you recall.
Thrilling.
Okay. And why do you think so?
Because the tests you solve are so because it will challenge you to do more tests, and you get the points also.
Oh.
As you do the test, you get the points. So you
So
need
it's like
to
a
see
video
your
game or what?
Yeah, all the students who are appearing for MA have their names along with me and with their points. So you have to. It's like a game, so you have to score more from them.
Oh wow, so interesting.
Yeah.
So most of your classes are online, right?
Yes.
So post-COVID, everything has gone online. But do you think you miss your like face-to-face class or you prefer online class? Why?
Yeah, I miss face-to-face class, but online class is more convenient because I have my college and aside that I have to do my ACCA. So sometimes I'm not able to manage with the timings of the class.
Absolutely.
So I just watch the recordings afterwards. That's all.
But
I would like classroom classes.
You would love to.
Yeah.
But then time constraints are there, na?
Yeah.
You cannot have two together. So that's why online.
But now I'm in graduation.
Oh.
So I would get time.
Right, definitely.
Yeah.
And your journey is really interesting and it's inspiring for a lot of students who have just finished their schooling and they want to look for the career ahead. It's really inspiring and all the best. And thank you so much for sharing so many thoughts with me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.